In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not loading websites. If certain websites aren't opening in Chrome, don't worry, I'll walk you through a few working fixes. First, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. From the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Now click on Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time. Make sure browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files are all selected. Then click on Clear Data. Once done, restart Chrome and check if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, click the three dots again. Go to Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. Disable all extensions, especially VPN or AdBlock extensions. Now reload the website and check again. If the problem continues, go back to Settings. Click on Reset Settings from the left side. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm. Restart Chrome again. If websites are still not loading, open your computer settings. Go to Network and Internet and click on VPN. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Now go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Google Chrome, click on the three dots, and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, open another browser and go to google.com/Chrome. Download and reinstall Chrome. And that's it, one of these methods should fix the issue. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.